Claudia Garcia Montero, and this is my submission for our first scenario. So for this assignment, the first thing we were asked was to create a fictional agency, which we would be the chief of. Then we were asked to look at an actual criminal justice agency to get an idea for our own mission statement, and then we had to create a mission statement that was based on our personality. And finally, we were asked to set hiring standards for our agency when there were a lot of applicants versus when there were not a lot of applicants. So as you can see from the picture, the agency I created is called the Peanut County Police Department. The mission statement of my agency is, the mission of the Peanut County Police Department is to protect the life, property, and peace of mind of the community. We dedicate ourselves to service with concern, and we strive to lead by example to achieve excellence. I created this mission statement using ideas from the existing mission statement of the Sacramento State Police Department and the Sacramento County Sheriff's Department. While I used these mission statements for reference, I did include my own twist on the words. Here are my ideal hiring standards for when there are a lot of applications to my agency. I would like for my candidates to have a bachelor's or associate's degree because studies have proven that well-educated officers are better trained for the job and they're less likely to make big controversial mistakes that we see in the news. I would also like candidates to have no drug use history. This shows who will do the right thing even when no one is watching, which is an amazing characteristic for my officers and my agency to have. No felonies or misdemeanors. I want my candidates to have a perfect record. Having no run-ins with the law shows that they are a law-abiding person, and I believe that if they are going to enforce the law, they should follow it too. Then I would like them to have a valid driver's license with no run-in with the police on the streets. They shouldn't have a ticket for speeding or reckless driving. I think it's unacceptable. Speeding is necessary when you become an officer, but you get training for that, and there's no reason for you to be doing it as a normal civilian. And as a post standard, my officer should be 21 years of age. So my hiring standards for when there are less than ideal situations, when there's not too many applications. So the education requirements are lower to a high school diploma or a GED, which is the bare minimum. Drug usage is also more lenient. 2 years of being completely sober of marijuana is enough time to show commitment, which would fit my agency standards, but there still can't be any hard drug use like cocaine. The criminal past is also more lenient, and you're allowed to have a misdemeanor that doesn't prevent you from owning, controlling, or possessing a firearm. Felonies are still not accepted though. And a valid driver's license is also a requirement. They're allowed to have speeding tickets. Also, as a post standard, the officer should be 21 years of age. That is all. Thank you.